No, it wasn't. This is my room. You can get your own. Damn it.
Get your own Barney.
Okay, you can have the Vortigaunt then.
Ah, Barney! I saved Barney.
Did you do Victor? I hate the hiccups.
Okay.
No.
There's nothing here! You okay?
Damn it!
Right, have you been doing the illegals?
No, I have the hiccups. I don't
On
like
the plus
it.
side, it's extremely funny.
Imagine the hiccups. Every time you do, Can I crouch under these ones? Come here, Zach.
I can't.
Stop. I want to puke.
It's not funny though if I don't do it.
I hate these hiccups so much.
Oh, that's bullets. Ah, purple rain. Purple rain, boy.
Zach, Barney's killing himself.
Oh,
He killed himself.
what? Hold on, wait. Wait right there. Hold on.
He killed himself.
Oh, I spawned down here. Hold on. I'm gonna be up there. I'm walking the whole way. Show me what you mean.
He killed himself. Oh, he's gone. I'll miss you, Barney.
Where?
He jumped on the train tracks and then he died.
Uh,
Oh my god.